V escape is equal to square root 2g m divided by r. So V escape 2 into 6.67 times 10 to the power minus 11 multiplied by mass, which is 7.34 times 10 to the power 22, and radius, which is 1.74 times 10 to the power 6, and whole square root. So V escape will become equal to, if you multiply in these two, 2.37 times 10 to the power 3. meter per second, or 2.37 kilometer per second. So this is the escape velocity of Moon. Earth has 11.2 kilometer per second and Moon has 2.37. You can use the other formula too. Vs is equal to square root of 2 radius of Moon multiplied by gravitational field strength on the Moon. It will become equal to 2 into radius of Moon is 1.74 times 10 to the power 6, and the gravitational field strength of the Moon is 1.6. Okay, so V escape will again equal to 2.37 kilometer per second. Okay.